Hi there, gals and guys. It's Jebb, you know who Adams, and it's Carl, you know who, the Singer 431 convertible sewing machine here. And as you can see, the cloth plate with the extension. This is the cloth plate, and the extension they're back on. And we missed a bit there where this was reassembled. So we're going to quickly unassemble it by me undoing that, pressing that button, and I will just turn the rest of the machine that way, and then I'll start right in by pointing out some of my favorite things about this machine. You can see here that there's two posts that go into the, here, let me take that off for now. Two posts that go into the body of the machine, one here and one here. That's how those two line up. The one with the spring here goes in there, and then this one without the spring goes in the smaller cavity. So that's off. Removing this top is just a matter of bending it backwards gently, and that'll come off. And then we have some screws. We have a screw here, we have a set screw there, and then we have a screw at each end of the flip lid, the top. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a set screw there, 5, and the set screw here broke. It broke in two. So this is just in there, and it works, but it is not the best setup, that's for sure. So anyway, so we're going to get to work right away, and we're going to take this screw off here. Like that. And I want to get this little metal, oh dear, the crud cutter dried up. I'll have to loosen that up. And so I'll put that screw in there, and I'll put that clip in there, and we'll put it over there, and then I will undo this one. I'm very conscious as I take these machines apart, kind of counting as I go along so that I don't forget or miss anything. And that's a habit now. At first, whoops, that's a little snug that was. Yeah, that's a habit now. That's almost not a conscious effort anymore. So what have we got to, okay, so now we have to get this set screw here, and we have to get this set screw here. I already pointed out this one, but I may have been turned the other way. So this set screw, that set screw, and right now, before we even do that, we'll take this off, and we know that this is the one with the 3 washers on it. So oops, so there was the 2 washers, the one on the end, it fell off, but it's back on there. And then I'll just put that in the metal tray, just like that. Wonderful. Then we'll turn around so I can get the other screw off the extension. And these extension screws, they're not on there tight, you know. All they do is allow the extension table to flip up and down. That's it. So there's a screw that came out of that. Almost looks like a long bed cushion screw. And so that's off. And where's my little screwdriver? This one doesn't have the set screw, so I can just pull it out. Maybe it is easier with my fingers. Maybe I'll try it from the other end. There. So it fell out. And we got 2 set screws left, right? This one and this one. Because I got all the blabbering out of the way with. There, that one's out. There's no flat spot on this one. No. Put him in there. And I'll just leave that set screw in there. And same here, I'll just loosen this one and leave it in as well. Because these have all been, you know, degreased and washed. I mean, you guys have... I can't imagine that too many people have watched every single one of the videos on this thing being cleaned. But this is the one that has the spring on it, and it also has the flat face for its set screw to hold it. So there, that is all apart now. You know, we got the extension and the lid. So we're going to take this. And this will be the first part of our reassembly. We got 5.5 minutes, so we should have time to be able to finish. So I better quit yapping and get to work. Isn't that right, my friends? Make sure that we're all in focus here. Okay, push that in. And let me lower this again. There. There. That one's in. Here's the other set screw there. And that's for this one, I believe. Where is it? Okay, there. Yeah. So there's that. This is a lot easier to do when the set screws are already threaded in there, when they're already started. There. So that's nice and snug and snug. And now we're going to put this table back on. Oopsie daisy. So there's the one. There's the one I need right now. And that'll, whoops. There's the three washers. So that's the way that's going to go. Are you with me? Can you see me? Yeah, good. Is that 3 or is that just 2? No, there's 3. Sweet. Oops, that's not threaded quite right, I don't think. There. it is there. That was nice and tight. Now we'll get the one that looks like a large bed. And we're gonna get to work on, we'll put this one on first because it's easy to do. So I'm still fighting it out with the screw and the little plate and the cloth plate. So as I've said before, when I have a problem with small screws that they're too difficult and frustrating to get them seated, this is where grease comes in handy. And grease is it's oil, it's slow release oil, and so it's good for that anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some grease How you guys doing? Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. I'll turn that a little bit that way maybe. So I'm going to put some grease right there. There, and it's on the hole as well. I'll put some on the back. What the heck? Just put it on the back too so it all stays in position. So now that's in position. And now I've got my greasy screw. There. And what the heck? Put some grease on the screwdriver even, why not? Magnetic or otherwise. See how I got some grease on there? And it's a magnetic screwdriver anyway, supposedly. But well, that was easy. I've got 8.5 minutes left still. Hey, you having fun yet? Oh, you betcha. You betcha, baby. There's one set there. There's the other set there. And I'm going to turn this around so we get a better view. Get my 15 screwdrivers out of the way that I was using to put that little screw in. I'll move the grease over there for now. Okay. These go like this. Are you with me? There. Excuse me. Oh gee, that's too easy, isn't it? Nice. And we'll go with this one. There, those are snug. Boing! Don't you just love that? And then these go like that, and then that closes. But I need to keep this open because, oh no, this guy's on. This guy's on. The guy I want to do now is this guy right here without without the set screw. So that goes in there like that. That moves over there. That moves over there. This thing here came like this. It's missing another pin or whatever, so I have to make a replacement. And so this can swivel sometimes inadvertently, but it goes like that. Excuse me for being noisy. I need to raise that a little bit. And I need to get an assister here. Like those little pieces of wood. And then I will put that on. Like thus. And then this will go on. Sorry. And I have to press that button there. And now it's on. So, I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did too, my friends. And so this is all cleaned. I think the next thing that I'm going to work on is the bobbin case and the hook shaft gear and getting that put together. And then I don't know how much, I don't know what else we'll have left down here. I'd like to get the motor back in, but I still have top stuff to do, so that's where we're at now. Thanks for watching. I hope this was valuable to you in some way, and I appreciate your support, you know. Have a great day. Ciao, amigos.